Firework.
Y'all didn't do y'all yet. Don't do. Audie wants to watch the frogs in the fountain. Does he want to watch them?
It's a frog! The frog! I have my X bracelet and I'm ready to set stuff on fire. They keep setting off the big ones and not letting me record it.
But you know what are the cool ones?
Come over here, bud.
Yeah, sit on smoke.
Okay, Beth, it's going straight to you.
Woo!
You can't tell from the camera, but it's yellow.
Where's Evan?
We're doing it!
She's trying to do a video.
Ah!
Oh my God, that's. Bring the fun.
Smoke, 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 smoke. It's blue!
That's pretty cool.
Can you stop flashing for 5 minutes? Hee trying to light it go brrr. This one is red. Wish we had any black ones. This is the number 7. Yeah, but we're focusing on the red smoke right now. Say hi. Epic. Bubba! Get back here, Bub. Firework go. Okay, so I took a break because it was raining. It's a bit better now, so we're all good. Big boy. There's a thing. Can't see it from here, but it's a fountain. It's incredibly quiet, but...
Good. Now don't do it again.
Send off a big boy.
They're about to do a big one. Zane, they're about to do a big one.
Doing a fountain now. It's going down. There's a dormant chair. I kind of want to take it. So guys, this is epic.
Woo! That's my jam!
I'm gonna lose it if people get in front of the camera one more time. That's my brother. Okay, that's just a Roman candle that's going off right now.
Right now, Crayola, if you look on the internet, it's like Amazon. You can order Crayola brand gummies.
Turn back off. Someone ignore the Roman candle. Somebody needs to move their chair. brother Cam. Oh, I hate that. Loud boy. What to heck? They're standing off Roman candles. Finally, I got it! On camera! I think it's up! It's up! Yeah! Big one! So guys, that was epic. Oh, they're doing another thing. I like it. It looks really pretty. Oh. Ah! My ears. I don't like it when it explodes. That's cool. Okay, they're probably gonna do more, but I'm done. I'm done with fireworking. Goodbye. Like and subscribe to die instantly. Bye.